back to the channel Good Practice Better Life. In today's video, I am going to share with all of you how I manage my daily responsibilities with my 5-year-old son without any house help in nowadays and still able to manage some time to pursue my hobbies. So generally I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning and change my night wears and fresh up within 10 to 15 minutes, and then I just utilize this me time. Either I make some presentation for my nursing tutorial channel, or study my ongoing courses, or finish my editing, or just simply take a walk and enjoy the sunrise. At around 7 o'clock, I go to the kitchen to make the morning drink for all of us. Some day it is lemon honey water, some days pepper tulsi, or maybe jeera soap like today. After that, I make my little Shanza wake up with a bit of cuddling and take him for a walk or to the terrace to get the morning sunlight. By that time, I also water my plants and then come down to make the breakfast. So today I am making pasta in demand of Tojo. Otherwise, I try to make it simple and healthy with sprouts and fruits. At 8 o'clock, hubby starts for office and then I start my yoga. Tojo had his breakfast with dad and now he plays with his favorite building blocks. After yoga is done, I enjoy my breakfast in the balcony, and meanwhile Tojo is playing in front of her house and I am just keeping an eye on him. And then I start all the daily chores like starting a set of laundry, putting the garbage bin out and preparing lunch and cleaning the dishes and blah blah blah. And in the meantime, I assign Tojo with some activities to engage him. I make him sit in the dining area in front of the kitchen so that I can monitor him time to time. Today I am making fish curry with lots of veggies and Karela fry. I close the kitchen by sharp 10:30 and both of us take bath and do our morning puja.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Mahesaha, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. And
I really feel proud to see my little one uttering the chants with me, and then I think stay-at-home mom is really a wise decision we have taken. Then by 11 o'clock, Tojo's online class starts and I have to sit beside him to make him concentrate. And this is the time when I do my basic skincare or check my emails and WhatsApp. Our lunch gets over by 12:30 to 1:30 p.m. when hubby comes for lunch break. And then Tojo and I spend some fun time together. At around 3 o'clock, Tojo becomes sleepy and I also take a nap with him someday if I feel like, or just go for my study or editing, whatever.
I will make butter from it and sell in the market. From the money I get, I will buy a lots of eggs. The eggs will hatch and then the yard will be full of fine young
After 4:30 p.m. my evening routine starts. I make him wake up at first and then go to the kitchen to clean all the vessels and set up the kitchen, and my little helper is always there to help me. And I make him involved in those household chores from which his motor skills are improved. There is already a video in the channel regarding the household chores for kids to develop the fine and gross motor skills. I will give the link in the description box. Then it's time to make the evening tea because hubby is generally back at the time around 6 o'clock. And Tojo's milk is ready too. I didn't do floor cleaning daily. It's maybe 3 to 4 times a week I can do this. And sometimes hubby also helps me, and today he is vacuuming the floor mats. Between 7 to 7:30 I sit with Tojo to give him a quick revision of his lessons. And today I got the vegetable delivery, so it's time to set up all those in the fridge. And when I put new vegetables, I definitely give a quick wipe to the fridge at first and then pack the vegetables separately in boxes or net bags. And this is a handy box in which I keep some coriander leaves, ginger and green chili. So every time when I start cooking, I just take out this box and that's all. And here I have cut some of the veggies which I need within 2 days, such as beans, karela, gobi. And I make 3 lists of the veggies on the sticky notes priority wise, which one have to be finished earlier so that nothing gets waste. And I'm not doing it from the very beginning, but just I've learned from my previous mistakes. And for today's dinner, I'm making a big size mixed veg with a lots of fresh veggies. Dinner is done by 9 o'clock and I will give a quick wipe to the stove and put the leftovers in the fridge and soak the badam and chana for tomorrow. By 9:30 p.m. finally all the works are complete and we all go for a short walk, which is the family time, and this time is my favorite moment of the whole day. So with this I will end today's video, and if you like it, give a thumbs up and make sure you have subscribed to the channel. I will see you soon in another new video. Until then, be safe and happy.